Check out my new Govee floor lamp and let's go over its app and see what it's capable of. There are many interesting presets to choose from: the sunrise, sunset, ocean, forest, sunset glow, ripple, rainbow, live category, movie, the nightlight is really dark. It's barely visible. Romantic. Fireworks. This is one of my favorite ones. Fireworks. DIY. Haven't got a chance to explore it yet. You guys can take a look. Under the color section, you can set different colors for each section based on your choice, then have a very customized different look. Under music, you need to give it access to your microphone setting, and it will play out the music based on the sound. Some other options: timer, wake up and sleeping. Under settings, there are Alexa and Google Assistant integration. You can also set Siri shortcuts. The remote is pretty functional. It has basically all the controls you need to toggle between music or solid colors or dim, the brightness adjustment, a cool, warm. It looks like it's using a button battery and it's magnetic. It comes with the remote holder, so you can clip it on the lamp itself. You'll never lose your remote. Build quality is excellent. It took me about 10 minutes to finish the installation. Basically just putting a bunch of screws to connect all these sections. It looks like a pretty solid piece of aluminum. And this part is rubber. You will slide it in. Power efficient. The power consumption is only 3 watts. Let's check other colors. and I'm at maximum brightness. Now we are at 13.6 and 14 watts at the maximum power, at the maximum brightness. Cool. Okay, 22 watts when using the cool color, which is the brightest mode, I believe. Yeah, 26 watts when it's warm. 27, okay, that's the maximum I could get to. And that's the music mode, under 20 watts. It's actually, the power consumption changes a lot. And when it's off, it's consuming 1.3 watts standing by because there is the Wi-Fi module. So this one is always connected. Okay, I hope you find this review helpful, and thank you very much for watching.